Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Ford Fiesta key. First, make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. These are the only tools you'll need for this simple task. We'll start by locating the small slot on the side of your key fob, then carefully opening the casing. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the internal components. Gently separate the two halves, being careful not to damage any small parts. Before you remove the old battery, take a quick mental note of its orientation. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Then, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. It should come out with minimal effort. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They come with an amazing lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to install the new battery. Place the fresh CR2032 battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, test your key fob to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.